Okay, hopefully you didn't find this homework to be too bad. The first little section, let's go through those 6 answers. Number 20 was right 3, 21 is up 2, 22 is down 10, 23 is left 7. Two things happen on 24. It goes left 4 and it goes down 8. And 25, it goes left a half and down 3/4. All right, so if you're having any problems on identifying how they move, let me know. Remember, outside of the function, plus is up and minus is down. Inside of the function, it's reversed. Negative is right and positive is left. So this one with the plus 1/2 moves it left 1/2, and then outside down 3/4. Okay, the next section, you have a function and you need to find the rate of change. So you need to evaluate it in the 2 different locations. So number 29 wanted the interval between 3 and 10, and it's the cubed root of x. So you need to figure out the cubed root of 3 and the cubed root of 10. Recall that you're going to use the math function of your calculator. Remember, you do have a graphing calculator emulator, so if you need to use that, that's fine. So you're going to do the 4th section, because that's the 3rd root of 3, and also of 10. So the cubed root of 3, we're going to approximate it as 1.44. The cubed root of 10, we're going to approximate as 215. So for the rate of change, you're going to subtract those y values on the top and the x values on the bottom. So you're ending up with a 0.7 divided by 7, and the average rate of change is 0.1. Okay. Number 30, the function is g of x is the cubed root of x plus 2. And the interval is from -4 to 0. So the cubed root of -4 plus 2, and then the cubed root of 0 plus 2. Now, when you do the cubed root of -4, make sure that you either put it in parentheses and then add 2, or to be on the safe side, get the answer, then add 2. So 0.41. The cubed root of 0, of course, is 0, and 0 plus 2 is 2. So for the rate of change, you're going to do your subtractions. Make sure you catch when you minus a -4, you're going to get a +4. 1.59 divided by 4 gives you a rate of change of 0.3975. So that is going to round up to about a 0.40. And the last one, p of x is the function, the cubed root of 4x plus 5. And you're going to evaluate it at 2 and 5. I actually have that wrong. It's going to be evaluated at -1 and +1. So you're going to evaluate it at -1 and at +1. Okay, if it's a -1, 4 times -1 is -4, and -4 plus 5 is 1. So it turns out to be the cubed root of 1, or just 1. Now, for the +1, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So you're going to have the cubed root of 9. And the calculator gives me 2.08. Rate of change, you're going to do your subtraction. And then 1 minus -1, catch that that's a 2. 1.08 divided by 2, and your rate of change is about 0.54. Check these carefully because one of those is on your homework check.